Hi everybody, Chef Scott from St. Agnes here again. Welcome back to our kitchen. So today we're going to use a new piece of equipment that a lot of people are starting to get into their kitchens. Something that we don't use a whole lot, but we're starting to use it a lot more. We're going to use an air fryer today. So we're going to do air fried butternut squash fries. So we're going to start with the butternut squash. I'm using gloves, and you probably should too. When you're peeling the butternut squash, there's oils and acids in the skin that on the inside of the skin that will irritate your hands. So we're going to start off, we're going to cut it like this. Cut this in, and then we just take our knife and just run it down the sides to get the skin off. The base of the butternut squash, again, we're going to just cut off the end of it, make it, give us a flat space. Cut it in half so we have access to the seeds. And take a spoon and just dig the seeds out, kind of like what you do with a pumpkin when you're carving a pumpkin. And then just discard those to the side. So now that we've got it all peeled and seeded, you want to cut it into thin strips, between 2 and 4 inches long, however long you like your fries. Okay, so now we have all of our butternut squash all cut up. So now we're going to take our seasonings. Okay, so now you're going to take your parsley, just a bunch of it like that. You're going to mince it up so you have small little leaves. Just run your knife through it like this. This is just going to be your garnish at the very, very end after it's all cooked. Now we've got everything cut up and all of our seasonings mixed and our parsley minced. I'm going to take the butternut squash, put it into a large bowl. I'm going to put a glove on because I'm about to use my hand in the oil. Add about a tablespoon of oil, vegetable, canola, olive oil, whichever one you like. Your seasoning, use about half of it and I'll season some more later. Keep your parsley off to the side, that's for the end. Mix it all together. All right, now we got all that mixed together. We're going to turn on the air fryer, set it for 390 degrees. Now that the air fryer is up to temp, we're going to open it up. We're going to drop our butternut squash in there, make sure it all gets spread out evenly. Put it back in, let that cook for about 8 minutes. Then you're going to take your tongs or just shake it up so that the other sides can get cooked. So these have been cooking for about 17 minutes now. You can see they're starting to turn nice and brown, so they're ready. So we're going to go ahead and take them out. We're going to set them on a paper towel, just in case they're a little bit oily. And then we're going to plate them up, and we're going to serve them with our favorite dipping sauce: marinara, ketchup, ranch, whichever you like. We've got them all plated up. We've got our sauce. Take your parsley, sprinkle it over the top. And now you have butternut squash fries.